Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to do the actual punching. If you haven't watched the previous videos up to this step, kindly go back and watch them. So after having done that, it will be good to start. To begin, you are going to insert the needle through the gunia or the sack, turn it around, then pull out the yarn through the needle that remained. Pull it out, all of it, then just go back and continue punching. As you see me doing there, you'll just pull it out, then punch, punch, punch. I don't know how to explain that process, but just do as you see me doing. Then remember to insert the needle until the very end. As you can see there, that downer part has reached the bottom part of the sack. So with each punch you are going to hear a click sound, so that's what's going to guide you in doing this punching technique. Remember, it has to reach the bottom part of the sack. Don't leave it halfway or any other way, and you're just going to continue punching. Just go ahead with the technique. I really find doing this so relaxing, and yeah, you're just going to relax, and you meditate a lot on the things, day stuff, blah blah blah, and all that. It releases the stress and everything. That's it. And another thing, remember to always leave the yarn loosely. It shouldn't be tight. If it's tight, you're not going to get a clean surface of whatever you are doing. So remember to leave the yarn loosely and let it flow just freely without any hindrance, and just continue punching as you can see me do. And the direction in which you are going indicates the direction in which the sharp end of the needle is supposed to point to. So let's say you are punching towards the right, so the sharp end of the needle should point towards the right. As you can see me coming this other side, the sharp end of the needle is also pointing the side in which I'm going to. So yeah, that's another tip to follow in order to achieve a nice finish. So let's go back. You'll see that's the downside. That's how the downside is going to look. Then the upper part of the punching is going to look like that, clean and neat. Well done. So let's go again. Take your needle with the yarn in it already threaded. Remember to leave it out, to leave some yarn out. Then you're going to start with the punching. Insert the needle through the sack, turn it the other side, then pull out the yarn that was left from the needle hole, pull it out and just leave it loosely. Turn to the other side and just continue punching. Remember, the yarn should be left loosely. It shouldn't be tangled in any way. It should just be left loosely. So just continue punching with the sharp end of the needle pointing towards the direction in which you are going to. And yeah, that's it. So you just continue punching, 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 punching. And remember, the needle should reach up to the end of the should reach towards the whatever, how is it called? Blah blah blah. Your needle should reach to at the end of the gunia. Sorry. There I am, putting it loosely, loosening it up. Then I just continue punching, punching, punching. Punch, punch, punch. It relieves the stress. Punch, punch, punch. Punch, punch, punch. Yeah, so just do that. So we want now to punch our letter I. There you have your threaded needle. So let's begin our project. Our letter I. You are going to insert the needle through the sac to the other side. Flip the sac so that you can remove the yarn through the needle. As you can see there, flip it out and let it just lie loosely at the bottom of it. Then after that, you are just going to flip again the sac to the side in which you are punching. Then ensure the yarn is kept loosely so that it's not tangled whenever you're doing your project. And then just get ready to enjoy your punching. So you'll start the needle in position. You just go ahead, punch, punch, just punch along, punch, 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 punch everywhere. But you have, if you want a neat, whatever, just make sure you punch along like in a line, or you go with the pattern. You develop a pattern in which you are going to be punching on. So for me, I was using like straight line. I just did a straight line all along. Reaching to the end, I just make a U-turn and punch in a straight line again. So that's what I was doing. I ensured I kept the pattern in which I started with. And make sure you punch as closely as you want it to get, because you don't want at the end of it you don't want the upper part. When you've finished punching, you don't want the upper part to appear scattered, the yarn to appear scattered. So make sure you put them as close as possible. That's another thing you want to put into consideration when you are punching. So just go ahead, enjoy your punching, enjoy your projects, those that you just can't wait to get started. And I assure you, this is so therapeutic. Like, you just relax as you punch along. So just go, continue punching, punching, punching. And so if you've reached to this point, I must say a big thank you to all of you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for everything. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload. Like my videos, please, and please comment in the comment section. It's so important to me. It lets me know whatever it is that you are thinking about my videos. It lets me produce good enough videos for your consumption, and it's a way for us to communicate. So please ensure you do that, and please even share my video. Thank you for everything, and continue watching to the end.